Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to change up this hair because it's fall and I feel like something a little bit deeper, a little bit more rich, something in the brunette family sort of, but still with very warm, rich undertones. This is just a little bit of my inspiration for this. So we're gonna do that today. So if you wanna see how I change my hair from this to this, stay right there, don't move and keep on watching. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and apply Color Oops. The last time that I changed my hair from red, I also used this as a first step. This is just going to remove any artificial color that's in our hair. Because I do use the red protein color filler, it's not going to remove all of the red tones completely. It may still end up very orangey, very copper, which is fine because I want a very warm auburn brown color in the end anyway. But if you're looking to neutralize the red completely, you're gonna have to go in with an ash color. The reason why I'm applying Color Oops, even though I still want a lot of warmth, is because I wanna see how much I'm able to lighten it. I don't want the color to end up looking too dark. I definitely still want something more towards the medium and lighter browns family. So I wanna take out as much color to see how light I can get it. Make sure that you're reading the directions very carefully and apply it as instructed. So this is the color that I'm left with after applying the Color Oops. As you can see, it's very brassy, very orange, but honestly that's to be expected after dyeing my hair red for so many years. But honestly, it's a good start. If you wanted to neutralize the red completely, I would try going in with the Color Oops just one more time just to see if it could lift any more of the red out, and then apply like an ash color. That's going to neutralize any warmth. However, because I want a very rich, warm, almost auburn brown color, this is a great base to apply my color over the top. I'm gonna use but lightest golden brown. The golden is just going to add a little bit more warmth to it, and then obviously I need some brown pigment in there to make it more of a brunette shade. So I've chosen the lightest golden brown by L'Oreal. This is the one I'm going to use. I'm just going to follow exactly the directions from the box, so I'm going to speed this up. So there's the final result, guys. After I rinsed off that light golden brown shade, I left it on for 25 minutes, by the way, and then shampooed and conditioned at normal, and here we are. I love the shade that it turned out. It turned out like a very milk chocolatey sort of brown, very rich. Okay, it looks like straight up chocolate, so I really like it. It turned out way better than I expected it. Okay, so my camera just died. I'm just gonna finish it off on my phone. This is a very rich milk chocolate brown, guys. I love the result. Obviously, we know it's temporary. I always go back to red. We always go back there, but for fall, you know, I figured like a switch would be fun. I was just getting like a little bored, a little bit of stuck in a rut, and honestly, I immediately missed the red already, but I do love this color, so we're gonna keep it for a while. Once it fades, we'll probably start experimenting with more reds again. I hope you guys like how it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And with that, remember that wherever you go and whatever you do, always leave your mark.